my god. It won't work if you take a picture of it though.
Woo!
That is so awesome.
I wonder if that's what people see when they're on acid.
Maybe, I don't know. Jade, remember? I didn't. It's so...
It looks like a face!
Whoa! That's awesome.
Oh my god! How did it do it?
I don't know what it is. It's like it makes, it's like it makes together.
What if we really are hires with those special brownies?
Not that I know
Dude,
of.
I wish.
What?
What the fuck?
Oh, that is amazing. Dude, I really wonder if this is what it's like when you're high.
I don't know.
I don't know, but I think I'd throw up.
Maybe high on acid, but not like pot or anything.
Oh.
Whoa, dude, what the fuck? It reminds me of that one card game to play on computer when you win the cards like drop
Solitaire?
down.
Or free
Yeah.
space.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, freaking God.
Woo. We should put this on YouTube.
This is what happens when you videotape a TV.
Being videotaped.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.